If the existence of God is not testified to and is denied, God forbid, then the idea that every atom is both a judge and a prisoner would have to be accepted. However, it is not possible that an entity could be both the judge and the prisoner. Let us explain. If it is believed that the stones that constitute a building had constructed this building without a master, then the idea that every stone is both a judge and a prisoner would have to be accepted. They are judges because they all agreed to come together to form a building. They are prisoners because they cannot back out of their decision. Similarly, if atoms had created this body instead of God Almighty, the body's atoms would have gathered and collectively decided to compose organs. In this way, they would have earned the qualities of judging and legislating. Yes, for example, they come together and decide to construct the heart. This decision is a kind of ruling that a judge would make. By submitting to this ruling that they made themselves, they become imprisoned. Since no atom is able to abandon the organ that it produces, it is a type of imprisonment. From another perspective, an atom has had other atoms submit to it, and as a result, it becomes a judge, and by submitting to them, it becomes imprisoned. However, it is not possible for an entity to be both the judge and the prisoner. This world has never seen someone who was both a judge and a prisoner. In that case, to disaffirm God, one must accept that these two characteristics exist in the countless atoms of the body. Billions of these kinds of inconsistencies can be found within disbelief.